How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. And here, click on three lines at the top right corner. Here, you'll find all these options. Click on Archive. Then you'll find all your story archive. There's no one way to delete all archive stories at once. So what you can do is click on one story and then at the bottom right, click on more. After you click on more at the bottom right corner of your screen, here press on delete. After you press on delete again. After you do that, it will be deleted, and in this way you can delete all your archived stories one by one. This is how to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.